you are fine and fit. Today we discuss about the lesson 10 green movement. Lesson 10 green movement. But before that we discuss about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. Now see first homework. Okay, as you know that in previous online class I have given the homework match the following. Today I solve here match the following column A, column B. Column A given first Dilwara temple and you match Dilwara temple to Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Okay, next Saint Thom Church in bracket Saint Thomas Cathedral Basilica. You match to Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Vaishno Devi, third number Vaishno Devi. You match to Vaishno Devi to Katra, Jammu and Kashmir. And fourth Tirupati Balaji temple match to Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh. Fifth number Hemkund Sahib. Hemkund Sahib. You match to Chamoli, Uttarakhand. And last Hazrat Bal Mosque. You match to Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. I repeat again: Dilwara temple, Mount Abu, Rajasthan; Saint Thom Church, Chennai, Tamil Nadu; Vaishno Devi, Katra, Jammu Kashmir; Tirupati Balaji temple, Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh; Hemkund Sahib, Chamoli, Uttarakhand; and Hazrat Bal Mosque, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. You have write this homework in copy in proper way. I will send a PDF file of this homework. And I remind again, please, class 6 student, listen carefully. Most of the student not send the name, class and section in comment box. I repeat again, please, in comment box you have write name, class and section for attendance. Okay, this is a very important for you. Okay. Okay, lesson 10 green movement. In this chapter we have studied about the Save Silent Valley movement, Chipko movement, Jungle Andolan of Singhbhum, Apitko movement and Narmada Bachao Andolan. Now see one by one. Okay, first movement is Save Silent Valley movement. A green movement against the hydroelectric dam project was initiated in the year 1973 in the Palakkad district of Kerala. The proposed dam on the Kuntipuja river, which run through a lush green tropical forest, would have submerged in 8.3 square kilometers of the forest. The movement ensured the project get cancelled and save the forest. Next movement is Chipko movement. The Chipko movement was a forest conservation movement in India and which began in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand in the year 1973. This movement created a precedent for many future movements and raised awareness globally for the need to save tree. The Chipko Andolan, a Chipko movement, is a movement that practiced method of satyagraha where both male and female activists from Uttarakhand, women were the main driver of the movement, with many immortal images of them hugging tree to prevent their being down. In 1987, the Chipko movement was awarded the Right to Livelihood Award. Next movement is Jungle Andolan of Singhbhum. The movement was revolved by the tribals of Singhbhum in Bihar in the year 1982 against the government's decision to replace natural salt tree with the highly prized teak tree. Many called this as green game political populism. Jungle Andolan of Singhbhum struggle for survival and operation of the fittest Khudiram Mahto. The Jungle Andolan of Singhbhum district for land, forest and water was the struggle for right over and part of socio-economic aspects of Bihar movement or Jharkhand. And that time Bihar part, but now divided and now in. The movement was at a peak in 1978 and the several police things include. This movement survived till 1983 and 18 people were killed. Government of Bihar tried to crush the movement. Thousands of adversaries were beaten and cases registered in police station against thousands of people and put them behind bars. It was the longer period in the history of Jharkhand, Bihar movement after independence of India. Next movement is Apiko movement. This movement, also known as southern version of Chipko movement. This movement was started by the locals of Shimoga district of Karnataka. The locals hugged the trees which were about to be cut by the contractors for commercial purposes. Foot marches, folk dances and street plays fanned this movement further. The Apiko movement is trying to save the Western Ghats by spreading its roots all over the southern India. The movement's objectives can be classified into three major areas. First, the Apiko movement is struggling to save the remaining tropical forest in the Western Ghats. Second is the making modest attempt to restore the greenery to denuded area. Third is the striving to propagate the idea of rational utilization in order to reduce the pressure on forest resources. As you know that this movement uses various techniques to raise awareness, foot marches in the interior forest, slide shows, folk dances, street plays, and so on. The movement has achieved a fair amount of success. Next movement is Narmada Bachao Andolan. This movement was initiated in the year 1985 against the government project to build the large Sardar Sarovar Dam on the river of Narmada. It is also rehabilitation on the locals and tribals who have been displaced due to construction of dam. It was non-violent movement. There are many groups such as Gujarat-based Narmada Samit and other also include in this movement. Narmada Bachao Andolan was also joined by the several NGOs with local people, professionals and activists as the founders with a non-violent approach. Social activist Medha Patkar along the villagers and dam cuties of Sardar Sarovar Dam from Narmada region of Madhya Pradesh protest on the second consecutive day in front of Narmada Valley Development Authority office in Bhopal. They demanding proper compensation and rehabilitation after their thousands of people houses were submerged in Narmada water. For a second time in just over 2 months, Narmada Bachao Andolan leader Medha Patkar and many persons affected by the Sardar Sarovar Dam have launched an indefinite protest demanding relief. The protest that began on Saturday has continued after the state government failed to put on record any assurances to help by bringing pressure on Gujarat government. Now all students, you have take a copy and pen. Now write homework of lesson 10, green movements. Name the following. A green movement against a hydroelectric dam project was initiated in the year 1973 in the Palakkad district of Kerala. Second, this movement was a non-violent forest conservation movement which began in the Uttarakhand in the year 1973. Third, the movement was a revolt by the tribals of Singhbhum in Bihar in 1982. Fourth, this movement was started by the locals of Shimoga district of Karnataka. Fifth, the movement was initiated in the year 1985 against the government project to build the large Sardar Sarovar Dam on the river Narmada. You have write this homework in copy and try to solve, but you know that in next video I will solve, okay, and read in proper way. I remind again all of you, please in comment box section you have write name, class and section in comment box. This is a very important for you for attendance.